how to change your YouTube handle name or channel name. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. This is How to Boss. In today's video, we're going to show you how to change your YouTube handle name. So without further ado, let's dive into our video. Go to your Google Chrome. Make sure to go to your YouTube channel right here. This is our YouTube. Whether you're rebranding your channel or just want a fresh new identity, updating your YouTube handle is a simple process, so stick around. I will walk you through the process and step to make this quick change. And so without further ado, here in our settings, go to the upper right part here and go to your channel. So once you're in your channel, as you can see right here, we have only one upload. This is just for tutorial purposes only, guys. So click on this customize channel. As you can see right here, the settings are dashboard, current content, analytics, but we're here in our customization. So the first setting is the layout. Second one is the branding. You can upload your logo right here and also your watermark. So for the basic info, let's go to this one. For the name, here I named my YouTube channel On The Spot Music right here. So choose the channel name that represents you and your content. So if you want to change this, go to basic info in under customization setting. Go to basic info and then change your name right here, like how to tutorials, but we're not gonna add this because this is the name of our other YouTube channel. So we're gonna add like AXL trading. So once you've done that, click on publish, and this settings, YouTube and the other Go services, you can change your name twice in 14 days. So within 14 days you can change your name. So once we've added this or change our name, we have 14 days to change it again. So once you've done with this, you can click on publish. So let's try and click on publish. So once we've clicked on publish, let's wait for YouTube Studio to change its name. Now, On The Spot Music is not the name of our channel, so let's refresh this one. So once you refresh this, it will take time for it to reflect on our channel. So by the way, our channel now is AXL Trading. And once you've changed that, you can also change the handle name right here. Change the handle name. Choose a unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. So AXL at AXL Trading 242731 right there. And once you've done this, you can also hit publish. So that's it, guys. So in order for you, go to customization, go to basic info. If you want to change your name, and also change your handle name that reflects your channel name for them to be synchronized. And that's it, guys, on our video on how to change handle name on our YouTube channel. If you found this video helpful, just click the subscribe button and make sure to follow us on YouTube and like this video. And also, we hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with us, feel free to leave them in the comments down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next video.